This week, we're seeing a notable drop in commodities sentiment, currently at -0.07, with momentum at a striking -0.41. This is a significant deviation from the historical baseline, suggesting a shift in sentiment that could impact your trading strategies. Our API returns a rich set of insights, including sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters, allowing you to gauge market sentiment effectively. For instance, if you're developing an algorithm that reacts to real-time sentiment changes, this data can help you identify when negative sentiment might spur a price correction. Stay ahead of the curve and leverage these insights to make informed decisions. Dive deeper into our API at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.